In today's video, I'm going to teach you how clients pay online with jobberpayments. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your invoice, review it, save a copy, and where to pay securely online if your service provider has enabled payments. Start by opening your email inbox as the customer. This is where your service provider will send the invoice. Look for a recent message that mentions an invoice or payment request. If you don't see it right away, check folders like promotions, updates, or spam, just in case it was filtered there. When you find it, make sure the sender looks familiar and the timing makes sense for the work you had done. Open the invoice email from your service provider. Inside, you'll usually see a summary of what's due, often including an invoice number, the total amount, and a due date. Take a moment to glance over these details so you're confident you're paying the right bill. If something looks off, pause and reply to the sender to clarify before proceeding. Next, click the View Invoice button in the email. This will take you to the secure Jobber invoice page in your browser. On this page, you'll see the full invoice, including itemized charges, any taxes, and notes from your service provider. It's a good idea to review everything carefully so you understand what you're paying for. The page is designed to be straightforward on desktop and mobile, so you can do this from anywhere. As an example, let's save a copy of the invoice for your records. Click the option to download PDF. This creates a clean, shareable version you can store, print, or attach to your own receipts folder. Keeping a PDF on file makes it easy to reference later for taxes or reimbursement. On that same Jobber invoice page, if your service provider has set up online billing, you'll see a Pay Now button. That means you can pay directly and securely from the invoice page. When you're ready, click Pay Now and follow the prompts on screen. You'll be guided through a secure checkout experience, and once the payment is processed, you'll typically see a confirmation and receive a receipt by email. If you don't see the Pay Now option, it simply means online payments aren't enabled for that invoice, and you can use the alternative method your provider offers. That's it. Open your inbox, view the invoice, save a PDF if you'd like, and pay directly on the Jobber page when available. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.